I'm going to run around with bacon in my back pocket with Sarah outside screaming.
She needs to be able to see the bacon.
Yeah.
And then you put it in your
Let
back
her
pocket.
smell your butt. Sarah! Come here, girl. Okay. Smell her butt. Smell her butt. Smell her butt. Sarah! 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 Sarah!
She's smelling it. She's smelling it.
Okay.
Wait.
Smell her butt, not my hand. Okay, run, run, go, follow her. Go. Pull down, pull down.
Oh good, now Sarah's tired.